Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for coming back. Today I wanted to bring to you something I'm very excited about. This is my newest little toy that I've gotten. It's the SPTA cordless 18 volt dual action polisher. And I have been really happy with this so far. All right, so I already opened this box. You get user manual. Nobody reads that. You get your pad cleaner. This is the same type that you would get from like Chemical Guys. These work very well. Pad cleaner. You get like a wool wash mitt. It's not bad quality. You get a microfiber towel. These are not bad. They do have a stitch edge, so they might scratch. But this thing, what's really cool about this is that it also comes with a 6-inch backing plate. So you got 5 and 6 inch. It is a 15mm orbit, but you still get the option of 6. This is the 5-inch pads. Sorry, I believe this, or sorry, those are the 6-inch pads. These are the 5-inch pads. You get 3 pads and you get a wool pad. You get your SPTA rubbing compound, SPTA Supreme polish. You get some tools right here. You get a standard D-ring and a handle. I am not a fan of either of these, so I don't use those. And you do get a charger. Believe it or not, I already lost the charger. I have no idea what happened to it. I'm beside myself. I don't know where it is. So I'm gonna have to go out and get a Makita charger, which is probably better anyways. It'll charge them faster. All of that, and you get a bag. All of that for $235. It is unbelievable, everything that you get. Now, I probably won't use about half of these things, but for somebody who's just starting out, this is an excellent kit, and it comes with everything that you really need to get started, right? And that's what's important with buying something that's for an entry level. I have some footage of me using it, not a lot, because I'm still really just testing it out. All right, so we're gonna get into product demo. I have this Land Rover Discovery that I do, and it has really been bothering me that these pillars here are all swirled up. I don't know if you can see that in the camera or not. Yeah, right there in the sun. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit these real quick and just show you the results that we can get. Once again, SPTA polisher. I've got an HDO orange pad from Lake Country on here, and I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna use HD speed. Let's do it. I'm gonna work on setting 4.5 maybe out of 5. Well, let's do 4 so it doesn't do half settings. Couple quick passes. Green super towel. Go ahead and wipe this off. Get rid of all this. This black piano trim is very touchy. So even when I'm wiping stuff off, I am going super light. I don't know if you can see that. That is tremendously better than it was. There's still a few in there, but tremendously better than it was. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to put this battery on here, and I'm gonna show you through the different speeds. It goes from 1 all the way up to basically 7, it says max. And I'm gonna show you what that's like. So on speed setting 1, 1.5 to 2, there's really no difference. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful sounding machine, stands straight up on itself, very nice and slim body. I am quite a fan of this polisher. Also, real quick, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that I love that it has an actual trigger and it has a trigger lock. I really, really dig that. You pull the button and it locks on this side, which most people are right-handed. So when you pick it up and you hit the button, you push this in, it's trigger locked, and then your dial is right on the top here. And I think that's really, really cool that it's also accessible. I just wanted to bring it to you guys because I know that I'm satisfied with it. I know that it's something that I'll use in my business, but I just thought it would be something good to bring to you guys if you're looking for a great entry-level polisher. There's others out there like the DeWalt, which I have actually had myself. I took it back just because it worked really well, but the amount of money that you spend, it's about $350 just for the tool alone. I just couldn't justify the money for a tool that I'm not going to be using on every single polish. I took it back and I got this kit and I feel very good about it. I'm going to keep using it in my polishing videos that are coming up. I'm going to keep testing it out and I'll keep you guys updated. But so far, great job, SPTA. This is an excellent, excellent polisher. If I had any gripes about this, it's the quality control over the labels and the fact that they only give you 2 batteries. If you really had 3, even an option for 4, if you wanted to pay more, I would pay for that. So that would be nice to have that, or like a dual charger. So you can have 2 charging while you have 1 using, you'll never run out. Then I wouldn't actually have to go over to my my Rupes. And by the way, I did want to point out this thing stalls a lot less than my Rupes Mark III, my LHR 15 Mark III. It actually stalls a lot less. And I actually get a more enjoyable experience out of it sometimes, you know. Thank you for coming back to another video. I appreciate you guys, as always. Thank you. I'm very excited about this. Like I said, I'll keep bringing it back. If you guys want more info on it, or if you want more videos of me actually using it, or anything in general, anything that has to do with polishing, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you like this video, share the video. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and become part of the Stay Slick family. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys on the next one. You guys, peace out. Stay slick.